What if you knew whatever big dreams you have would in fact come true? I think many people don't even allow themselves to dream very big because they want to be realistic and avoid the possibility of disappointment or even failing. Am I right? But this is a mistake because we can manifest what we visualize in our life and imagine a future, uh, whatever it is we most want. Without dreaming, we won't accomplish anything. Of course, it may not be realistic to want to become a brain surgeon in the short term if you don't already have a high school or college diploma, or you're already collecting Social Security. But imagining and dreaming of having unlimited financial success is something doable and possible for all of us. What would an extra 5,000 or 10,000 do in your life right now? You found this video because you either have been working on manifesting financial wealth already, or you already know your ultimate happiness comes from serving God and helping others achieve their dreams. So my question is, have you dreamed a big enough dream? I'm here to tell you, the sky's the limit. I'm fortunate to have university degrees in mathematics and physics, along with some ambitious accomplishments and credentials as a licensed professional engineer and licensed general contractor. I only mention this because I do have good critical thinking skills that eventually led me to tax-free cash flow. About a year ago, I started thinking outside the box and discovered a program that added thousands of tax-free dollars to my life. It was an okay program, but not a great program for the simple reason it took thousands of dollars to get started. It didn't work for most of the people I tried to help and sign up simply because they didn't have that kind of money, and I was helpless to help them. Fast forward till now, and I've found a quantum leap better program that anyone can afford and requires much less time to generate even greater tax-free cash flow than what I was getting before. You could be broke and looking for a job, and you can still make all your financial dreams come true, or working 50-hour weeks with a demanding job and still have more than enough time to do this. Helping others achieve their dreams brings me the greatest happiness, and I hope you're that way too. This is why I'm so excited to share this with you. I'm just a phone call away if you'd like more information.